Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a paper fortune teller. So first you're just going to grab a piece of printed paper, then you're going to get the top edge and you drag it over here, and it's going to get a leftover piece. So you have to match up the ends. So you have to match it up together. Then it should look like this, okay? Then next, you see this rectangle here. You're going to grab scissors and cut that piece off. Like that. Okay, that's just my phone. So you're going to open it, and it should look like this. After you're done, you're going to put it like this, like a square. Then you have to fold it up to the bottom. And it should look like this, and you should see that crease right there that you already made. Put that inside. Then after you're done, you're going to unfold it. Then you're going to turn over, and then you're going to fold it again. Like this. Then you're going to unfold it, and then you're going to do it. You're going to make a triangle. And when you make the triangle, it has to be on top of this crease. And you're going to do the same thing to the other one. Like this. Okay? Then you're going to do the same thing to the bottom. And it should look like this, like a square with folds on it. Then you're going to flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. So you have to put the square on top of this fold. Then you're going to do the same thing on the back. And you're just going to do the same thing to the top. Okay? And it should look like a square, like that. Then you're still on this side, you don't turn it. You have to go to this side, then you're gonna just fold it like this. After you're done, you can see this pocket here. You put your finger, your thumb, and your next finger in it, and your finger in it, the pocket. Okay. You get all the way in it. Then you're gonna see these two pointy things. You're gonna connect it. And it should make this. So some people color it and put numbers in it. So I'm not going to color it because it takes a lot of time. So how people color it is they just do the triangle, this piece, and you grab markers and you do any shapes that you want to do. And the big markers are easy, but the skinny markers are not easy. So you grab a color and you got. I do some squares. The squares are more easier if like that, but the big markers are easier more than that. On the back, you write the numbers. Like that. So there are 4 numbers. They have 1 right here, 2 right here, 3, and 4. After you're done, you can write, and you can see these pocket that flips over. You're gonna write a fortune in it, or you can write something funny, like a funny fortune. Then after you're done writing your fortune, you're gonna put your hands in your pockets. And it's just like that. So if somebody picked pink, you do P-I-N-K. Then you pick a number and they say 3. And you have to go 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And you pick a number in here and they say 2. Then you open the 2 pocket. See this number 2? You open it and read that fortune. And that is just how to make a fortune, and that's all for now. Bye.